I don't know if you know this, but just a couple days ago, I grew a fully blown ball and chain. Now, if you know what I'm talking about, guys, if this applies to you, but if you're married, you know what I mean. Behind the camera, I have my ball and chain. How's it going, babe?
Great.
So I got married, guys. I don't know if you know that already, but a couple days ago, I am now a married man, and we're shooting this video. We're about to go on our honeymoon, which is Machu Picchu. Something a little bit different. I know a lot of you guys look at me as crazy. I'm gonna show some simple images of Machu Picchu right now, but we're doing a 5-day hike to Machu Picchu. I know that's kind of crazy. Most people do like a beach vacation or something like that. And we were tempted, but we do those kind of vacations all the time. We thought, why don't we do something that's a little bit interesting? I know it's going to be kind of weird, but now I am back with a really good bonus package for you for a product called Magnetic. Now, the Magnetic is a great course from a guy named Palab Ghoshal, and he knows a lot of really good income making methods. This one's no exception to that. You can take a look. I don't really like to do long reviews. I like you to take a look for yourself. So there's a button down below this video. If you want to check out Magnetic, it's going to show you that on the sales page there. My bonuses that I'm going to give you are going to make it better, obviously. So let's take a look at the bonuses that you get if you decide to pick this up. So first of all, I'm going to give you super funnels with the max commissions upgrade. This is the first time that I've ever given away super funnels as a bonus. And the max commissions actually gives you extra stuff in your funnel software to make it more powerful. It actually adds the monetization in. I'm going to give you cash magnets plus advanced secrets. So these were two very powerful trainings that I provided where I show people how to make money online. Boomerang Buddy Pro, Atomic done for you with the platinum version, as well as an extra OTO, like an advanced OTO in there as well, that gets packaged in with that Atomic done for you. Commissions Pirate, which is a great course on CPA marketing. If you're interested in CPA, which you might not know what that means, but it basically allows you to get paid without having to make sales. You get paid when people take actions. We're actually going to have a product releasing on this in a couple weeks, but this bonus is going to be a great course, a good introductory course to get you prepared for that. 10x Commissions, which is one of the first courses that I created that shows you how to make money online. 250-day magnet, $1 million toolbox, 13 special other money-making bonuses, the commission glitch, viral suite, Facebook Ninja, done for you campaigns, 80 done for you bonuses, and a case study where I show you guys how to make $2,000 in a short period of time. Now, all of those bonuses are going to be listed down below as well. So if you'd like to take a look at what you're getting today for your investment, go ahead and check that out. Go ahead and check out Magnetic if you're interested. I think it's gonna be a really good course for a lot of people if you want to learn how to start out 2020 the right way with an income method that works pretty well. If you have any questions, guys, as always, there's no pressure here. If you decide that this is something that's in your wheelhouse, go ahead, take a look at it. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and now I'm gonna go have some breakfast with the ball and chain.
Real Mexican.
Some real Mexican food with the good old ball and chain. So she doesn't mind being called a ball and chain. I'm surprised. Most women would be upset. I
I don't know what that means.
picked a winner.
I don't know what that means.
You don't know what a ball and chain means?
No.
A ball and chain means that you are so beautiful and perfect the way that you
I
are.
am.
Thank you guys for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye for now.